Change the channel!
Opening in 1852, Tipton railway station was originally known as Tipton Owen Street until 1968 and featured a level crossing at the southern end of the station. This was though closed in January 2010 on the opening of a relief road which undercuts the railway. The station itself was closed early 2010 to allow refurbishment of the platforms to be extended to accommodate longer trains. It also included new waiting areas, easier access to stations, increased car park sizes, a new subway, improved security, could have fooled me, and a new bus interchange. But I've never seen that in my life. Today's trains are a far cry of that from 1852, with trains southbound going into suburban Birmingham at Birmingham's New Street station and then onwards down to London and the south of England, while trains to the north head through to Wolverhampton, either taking the line to Wales via Shrewsbury onto Holyhead, Aberystwyth and Pwllheli, or continuing through to Merseyside, Liverpool Lime Street, Blackpool North, Manchester Piccadilly and North Scotland. Today's shoot was filmed on that still sunny day on the 22nd of September 2020 and between 14:23 and 15:23. So if you're sitting comfortably, let's begin with 35236, working the 14:23 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. Right on its tail for Avanti West Coast 221113 and 221114, working 9 Sierra 70 from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley. Next train down is 35117, working the 14:30 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. And as that sits idly in the station, 35129 passes, working 2K54 from Birmingham New Street to Crewe via Stoke-on-Trent. Remember that train I told you were missing at Dudley Port? Well, here is 158825 and 158819, working 1I16 from Aberystwyth and Pwllheli to Birmingham International, running 20 minutes late. And here comes its opposite number as 158840 and 158830. Work 1J20 from Birmingham International to Shrewsbury. Because of the Transport for Wales service running late, 350 102 and 350 264 run about 10 minutes late, working 1G15 from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. And because that was late, 220022 and 22111133. Past 5 minutes late, working 1 Oscar 20 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Also running a couple of minutes late, 221116 and 221102. Working 9M54 from Edinburgh Waverley to London Euston. Next down, running 17 minutes late, 175.10 for West Midlands Railway, working 2G19 from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. Next train to depart 350.115, working the 1457 service from Birmingham New Street to Wolverhampton. And running about 5 minutes late, 350.236 returns, working the 1456 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Birmingham New Street. Next up for cross country 220012 and 220027, working 1M46 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Next train down is 350.104, working the 2G60 service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. Next for London North Western Railway 350.102 and 350.264. Working 1 Foxtrot 48 from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. And 2 for the price of 1 Transport for Wales services as 158832 and 158823. Work 1I18 from Holyhead to Birmingham International. We're going to get the Shrewsbury as an extra at Wolverhampton, but here comes 350.245, working the 1523 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.